iOS 18 is now available, and the good news is that all iPhone users can experience this new update. If you have a 2018 iPhone XR, iPhone XS, or newer models such as the second and third generation iPhone SE, you can download iOS 18 to enjoy a plethora of new features and improvements. Let's dive into all the new features from WWDC and discuss them. Every major tech company from Google to Samsung to Microsoft is integrating artificial intelligence into their hardware and software, and now it's Apple's turn. Apple Intelligence is a term you'll hear a lot in the coming years, powering a host of new AI features in Apple devices. Apple's AI model is powered by Apple Silicon chips, specifically designed for AI tasks. If large AI tasks can't be processed on device, they are securely sent to Apple's data centers. Apple claims its cloud computing platform protects user data privacy by only using, not storing, relevant data. Apple Intelligence isn't just for iOS 18 supported devices, it's also available on the iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, Macs with M1 chips, and certain iPads. It's currently limited to US English with full feature rollout expected by 2025. It mainly focuses on three areas: language, imagery, and action. In iOS 18, Apple has made significant advancements in language-related AI. New writing tools such as rewriting and proofreading help make your text more friendly or professional. You can also summarize selected text effortlessly. Priority notifications now highlight important messages, and you can create transcripts and summaries from audio recordings in the Notes and Phone apps. These updates make language tasks easier and more efficient. The image-related improvements in iOS 18 are game-changing. New photo editing tools offer various ways to enhance your photos. The new image scan feature helps recognize image sponsorship or file attributes, making editing more intuitive. You can now automatically scan text through photos, and apps can pull data directly from images. This feature is incredibly useful, providing new opportunities for photo editing and boosting user productivity. The App Lock and Hide feature enhances your privacy and security. You can now hide apps or lock them with a passcode or biometric authentication. This not only protects the information inside the app, but also hides the app's notifications and search results, ensuring your personal information remains private. Siri has been revamped with iOS 18. It uses natural language processing to answer your questions and help you perform various tasks. It's prepared for global app access and can support icons for required apps while blocking inappropriate ones. ChatGTP Integration in iOS 18 offers a simpler user experience, enabling direct searches via Siri. Powered by the GPT-4o model, you can ask Siri about photos or documents, seek personal advice, and gain general knowledge. This feature is accessible through a mobile application and is completely free. The long-awaited day is here. Apple has announced RCS support in the Messages app with iOS 18. Android phones have supported RCS for years, but it's new for the iPhone. RCS will make texting between Android and iPhone users more reliable, with richer media and read receipts, enhancing the overall texting experience even when not using iMessage. For the first time, Apple lets you customize your apps and widgets just like Android. You can switch to dark mode, match your wallpaper, and personalize icons to your liking, making your iPhone truly yours. You can now easily customize your preferences in the new Control Center. Access media playback and smart home controls via a tab by swiping to the right edge. The lock screen controls have also been expanded with options for helpful icons, making navigation more convenient. The Wallet app in iOS 18 now supports Tap to Cash, allowing you to send money by holding two iPhones together. Apple Pay now integrates with loyalty schemes, letting you earn points during payments. Tickets in your wallet have a new look, providing links to helpful information during events. iOS 18 introduces a new game mode, borrowed from macOS. It enhances your iPhone's performance during gaming and reduces background activity. Bluetooth latency is reduced, making controllers and audio accessories more responsive, ensuring a better gaming experience. If you love gaming, don't forget to like this video. The release of iOS 18 is still some time away, but its new features already have us excited. From Apple Intelligence to improved privacy features and new game modes, iOS 18 promises to be a significant update. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.